And a hello to everyone in the land of packets. Welcome back to Bradsky Packets. And whoa, what a week it has been. Firstly for the Mighty Demons, but we'll get into that a bit later. So today we have a sad day, as this is my last retail box of Footy Stars and Teamcoach. So we'll do one more video unboxing both of them. Let's see what we can get, and hopefully we can strike something awesome. Alrighty, we'll do it again. We'll start off with our Footy Stars. A big week, and I gotta say a big thank you to Premiership coach Simon Goodwin. He took the D's to uncharted waters. It all started with Paul Roos back in 2014, and from there, 7 years later, they raised the flag in Perth. Granted, it was in Perth. I know some people are saying it's an asterisk or whatever. That's bullshit. A flag's a flag. You'd all take them no matter where it is. But a big thank you to Simon Goodwin. Oh, look at all these packets. I'll do the same. Start off from these and then do the bottom of the box packets at the end. Empty box. Excellent. But I mean, we did, after the grand final, win 2 straight sets out of finals, and then last year and this year just hasn't quite met the standards for the side that we've got. Injuries haven't helped, of course, but of course, firstly, we need triple espresso this Sunday. Unpaid promotion. Alright, let's start them off and we'll keep talking about this. I mean, only the D's. Oh, we start off with a thunderbolt of Zach Butters from the Power. Let's move things around. As for who I think might be the new coach of the D's, I was thinking John Longmire until he ruled himself out, so that's a big no on him. Another Thunderbolt, we got Sam Collins from the Suns, Thunderbolt base. But I'm thinking Nathan Buckley's sounding like he wants to be coach, and you can't really go wrong with that. I don't think untried coach. Oh, here we are. We're going to start off with a big one. Sam Taylor, Luminous Space from the Giants. Okie dokie. Here we are. Bonnie Too Good says, tick tock, tick tock. Boom! Colby McKercher from the Roos. I'll hopefully not drop the camera or anything today. We'll see how the triple espresso affects me. Oh, we've got number 275 of 360. That's a good start with a boom. That'll be interesting to see, as long as they're, I think, in... Oh! I should just stop talking because we've got ourselves some sort of myriad, I believe. Oh, there's a footy head, but no one cares about footy heads. Sorry, Select. I don't like footy heads. Okay. But what I do love, Select, is what's happening right now. And Zali Goldsworthy. Oh, it's not a signature. Oh, Mitch Owens from the Sainters, a luminous myriad. Oh, well, that's a good way to start the last box off. Wow. What a magnificent card. Let's keep going. Wow. Footy heads back in business. Charlie Curnow from the Blues and Jake Saligo from the Crows. Some interesting final games happening in the last couple of weeks. I'm hoping the old D's today might have to give it to the doggies, but I think they might be a little strong. You don't mess with the Zerha, 100 games, and Bailey Williams, luminous base. Footy heads, Jake Saligo from the Crows, and we got a Jakey Lever Thunderbolt base. Oh. Just have another drink of refreshing air. Wait for it. Refreshing. Ah, what a start. I'm pretty happy with that. Breakout. We've got Caleb Sarong from the Dockers and a Darcy Moore luminous base. Pie's in big trouble at the moment. Or big trouble. I mean, there's plenty of time to turn it around. Big game today, Maximus. Another breakout. We've got Took Miller from the Suns and a Tim Taranto luminous base. Wow, can't believe I got another mirror here. That's so awesome. Jasper oh, and it's Thunderbolt Gold. I just realised something too. Gold. Hey, number 101 of 399. I didn't look at what number we got. Oh, number 7 of 99, Mitch Owens. Wow. Oh, so far pretty sweet. Box happening already. And barely halfway through it. Milestone, Josh Dunkley, 150 games and a Roo. Mighty Demons. Oh boy, I mean, I think they've got what? Doggies today, Hawks next week, and then the Pies. So it's going to be a brutal couple of weeks, but I think there'll be a few players wanting to impress the new coach. Epic Red, Luke Jackson from the Dockers with a Nick Veloston luminous base. I'll put the old sleeve on the Epic Red now. Awesome. Wonder if we'll get double hits anywhere. Ho ho ho! Another Thunderbolt, Errol Golden Thunderbolt base. And well done to Sydney as well, I must say. What a turnaround from their poor start to the year. Brent Daniels Thunderbolt base from the Giants. It's just going to be an interesting in that who finishes 9th, and well done to the Suns. It looks like they've made it now. 2 more games. Oh, they've got 3 more games, of course. You presume they'll beat the Bombers, but who knows? Footy heads, Charlie Cameron, Darcy Wilson, luminous base. Anything can happen in these last couple of weeks. But one thing that will always happen is more packets. Jager O'Meara, Footy heads, Darcy Wilmot's luminous base. I've still got a couple of blaster boxes, I think, and some starter packs, and obviously I've still been buying random packets everywhere I can. Another Thunderbolt, Jordan De Goey from the Pies Thunderbolt base. Awesome. I've got to say though, Footy Stars and Teamcoach have been wonderful releases this year. Just so many good cards have come out of them. Absolutely magnificent. Breakout, Will Ashcroft from the Lions and a Connor Rosie. Luminous Space. And what a game by the Dockers last night. Wow, even they're starting to arc up a bit. What a win. Captain's goal for Port and a captain's goal for the Dockers. That was pretty sweet. Jordan Dawson breakout and a Jake Waterman Luminous Space. So much action. Nope. So much action on knocking over merch. Listing mania is still continuing. I'm still cleaning out a lot of things and just going to concentrate on a few players now. For my own personal sets, I've just got a lot of stuff sitting around home. Sam Walsh, 100 games. Riley West, Luminous Space. So it's been good to declutter. Obviously giving away some of the stuff, the basic inserts and the base cards, and then uploading onto Bradsky of Smeg9, my eBay account. Oh, I think we've got a Dragon Scales. And just selling off. I just think I've got incomplete sets of so many, especially over the last couple of years. Buying a lot of boxes. I'm not going to complete them, so why not pass them on to the people? Elise Parker presents, oh, Sam Draper, Dragon Scales for the Bombers. And that's number 234 of 799. Oh, pardon me. Okay. Oh, we've got the Golden Dragon as well. Oh, it's all happening again. Angie Stannett presents, oh, from the Brisbane Lions, good old Charlie Cameron. Excellent. Who we got this time? Number 102 of 399. Excellent. Brilliant card. Oh, we've got our other epic red, and it's Ryan Mansell from the Tigers with a Ben Mackay Luminous Base. Oh, we'll sleeve up our epic reds. All these inserts are pretty sweet this year, I must admit. Like the Myriad, that just looks so cool. The golden tickets, the obviously instant wins are always good. Footy heads, Oscar Allen from the Eagles and a Sam Draper. Oh, look at that. Oh. Thunderbolt Bears. Alright, the last 12 packets of madness. Our last Footy Stars retail boxes, they are, I believe, all sold out. Although it has said sold out before and there's suddenly more. Good marketing. Oh, Darcy Moore, Footy head. And a Cam Rayner, Luminous Base. And I think we got one more Dragon Scales possibly to go. Footy heads, Josh Weddle from the Hawkers and a Jacob Hopper Thunderbolt Base. Breakout, Jack Ginnivan from the Hawkers and a Michael Walters Luminous Base. Oh, we've got another Thunderbolt, Lockie Cowan from the Blues, Thunderbolt Base. Oh, getting knackered here. What a morning. Always busy at the House of Packets. Oh, there we go. We've got ourselves, I think, a premiership predictor. There's a Sam Walsh Luminous Base. Alrighty. Who's this? Emily Bates unveils Oh, now there's an interesting one. The Crows Premiership Predictor. And they are all up in that, as they say. Wow, that's a huge card suddenly at the moment. Wow. Let's see what number we got. Number 176 of 360. That even goes there, I think. Oh, I'll put him here. Oh, that's an interesting one. Adelaide are just on fire at the moment. And you look at the other teams and their defences, I don't think are coping with that sort of firepower. Jack Caldwell, Footy Heads, Matt Rao, Luminous Base. So that would be a handy redemption to keep on handy, I reckon. I think it could be Adelaide's year. Footy Heads again, Cody Waitman from the Doggies and Jed Walters from the Suns. But in the end, it's hard to say who's going to win it. Every time there's a form line, it crumbles. Oh, geez, what are we doing? Oh, what are you doing, Brad? Dyson Heppel, hey, 250 games, and George Wardlaw, Luminous Base. I already tried to knock the camera over again. That's what I do. Alrighty. Oh, we've got our other dragon scales. Who's that? Monique Conti presents. Ho ho ho! Brad Close. Good name. At the house of Brad. All Brads are welcome. 246 of 799 dragon scales. Oh, have we got any surprises in our last 3 packets, or is it just going to be Footy Heads? Oh, I saw the gold trim there and I went, ooh, wow. Max Holmes. What do you call that? Footy Heads and Weddle Luminous Base. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. Okay, break out the Bont with a James Rowbottom Luminous Base. Here it is, folks. Last retail box. Brrr. Last packet magic. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, lines. Oh no! It's a Footy Head, of course it is. Toby Green with a Tyson Scandal Luminous Base. Well, let's be happy. We've got ourselves a nice myriad right there. Lots of good hits. That's how we'll review at the end of the vid. So now, we move on. Oh, shish. To me knocking more things over. Thank you. As in, we move on now to Teamcoach. I don't think I'll be buying any more of these ones either. I've had a fair ride this year. It's been awesome. I love opening boxes. I just can't get enough of it. Uh-oh. Open. There we go. We have an avalanche of packets from the other box. Come on. Okay. There we have it. And here. We'll do our lots of 12 again. Excellent. There it is, an empty box. And yes, I once again have dropped the bundle. Wait. There's some more triple espresso needed. Alrighty. Alright. Let's get this sorted. Over here, car of greatness. Alright, Teamcoach, what do you got for us? Oh, Carlton. Footy Flicks, a Christian Petrarca QR code, and a Cam Rayner die cut. Oh, base can go. Oh, wait, let's move that pile down there. Let's go, Teamcoach. We had the myriads, as you see, sitting up there. What can. Ah! Noah Anderson Silva. I think I already revealed it. Good old Sicily. There's a Hayden Young fantasy forecast and a Toby Green die cut. But we have a James Sicily Magic Wildcard, Star Wildcard as it were. Oh, I'm really doing well today. Now that's falling down too. The house of packets is crumbling. Crumbling, I tells ya. Alright, back in business. Okay, Majestic. Sam Walsh, number 3, a Tristan Cherry QR code, Dacos die cut. Oh. We shall resume normal programming. Just a normal BF. Sam Collins from the Suns, Errol Golden, fantasy forecast, and a Harley Reid die cut. Move this back a little bit. There we go. Alrighty. Oh, we got a blue. We've got Callum Mills from the Swannies and a Zach Butters fantasy forecast with a Cheezels die cut. Oh, just catch my breath. Oh, all this action from the packets. All this action from the footy, it's all happening. Star Powers, Marbior Chol from the Hawks, Tom De Koning fantasy forecast, and a Jason Horn Francis die cut. Excellent. Connor Rosie, Majestic number 3, Will Setterfield fantasy forecast, and a Charlie Curnow die cut. So I think there might still be a few videos left in me. I don't know if I think Select should have another release coming soon. Oh, we've got our gold best and fairest, and I didn't reveal it. Rory Laird fantasy forecast, Tom Green die cut, and Zach Merritt Silver version says, oh, the Bont, best and fairest Bont from last year, gold. Oh, yeah, they can go there. Alright, so now we've got to work out. Let's see if we get some bonus shit from the Teamcoach. Oh, we've got a Magic Wild card. Speaking of bonus, Nick Dacos fantasy forecast, a Pendle die cut. So I believe we've got an extra wild card, and it's Caleb Sarong from the, becoming Mighty Dockers. Alright, that's good. That's a bonus box hit. Wow, already. I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you, Teamcoach. Let's see what else we're getting. Now I'm happy. Well, I was happy anyway, but I'm happier. Caleb Windsor, Star Powers, Lloyd Meek fantasy forecast, and Isaac Rankin die cut. The House of Packets has once again brought bonuses with it, and it is good. Oh. Cardcraft 1, Josh Rochelle from the Crows. Dylan Moore Fantasy Forecast and a Jack Ginnivan. Die cut. That looks a bit gold, and it's a Team Star Powers, I believe. A Kieran Briggs Fantasy Forecaster, Keziah! Woo! It's all happening with the packets. What's our team? Ah, we've got a double. We've got a blue as well. Mitch Owens. With a Will Ashcroft. It's Team Star Powers. Wow. 2 hits, 1 packet. Yeah. Ah, Teamcoach has gone funny buggers again. So what do we got? We got a double wild card. We've got a best and fairest and Star Powers teams. What else can it deliver? Oh ho ho! Star Powers. We've got Dylan Moore from the Hawkers, Darcy Parish Fantasy Forecast, and a Braden Maynard die cut. Maxi. Nick Martin, Cardcraft 1, Tim Taranto. Oh, random bit of cardboard. Tim Taranto. Oh, sorry guys. Fantasy Forecast and a Tyson Stengel, a die cut. Excellent. Okay. Oh, we got an Adelaide Crows footy flicks. Jason Horn Francis, Crocky Fantasy Forecast, and a Callum Mills die cut. I'll tell you what, the reason I'm picking Adelaide this year is one man and one man only. Darren Burgess. He was the fitness dude at Melbourne in 2021. He's the fitness dude at Adelaide right now. He has them firing. They all look ultra fit. Josh Gibcus thingy, Fantasy Forecast. Oh no, that's Fantasy Forecast. The other one was Star Powers. This one's die cut, Adam Chera. I think the D's just ended up not the same team. And Darren Burgess played a huge part in that. Ben King, Star Powers, Will Ashcroft Fantasy Forecast, Flanders, die cut. Okay. Oh, we got another Star Powers, Hayden Young from the Dockers and Ollie Wines, Fantasy Forecast, and a Tim Taranto, die cut. Maisie, on your frothies. Now I'll be interested to see whoever the new coach is for the D's, who comes in, who's going to leave and be told to find a new home. Oh, we got a blue because it's stuck. Sam de Koning from the Catters. Luke Ryan, Fantasy Forecast, and Tom Stewart, die cut. Star Powers. We got Morris Rioli from the Tigers, a Jeremy Cameron Fantasy Forecast, and a Caleb Sarong die cut. Oh, energy slowing down. Oh, watch alerts. Ah, delicious. Okay, let's get back to it. Oh, I can feel my wrist hitting this little step. Oh, we've got our sculpture, folks. And I didn't reveal it again. And guess what? Adam Trelaw Fantasy Forecast and Le Bont die cut. I do believe. Charlie Condon, but this lucky Neil gold sculpture wildcard. Ah, the hits keep coming at the House of Packets. Another gold sculpture wildcard. Excellent. Wow, beautiful cards they are. Absolutely. Silver or gold, they're absolutely stunning cards. Well made. We got a Zach Butters. It's Butters. Footy Flicks, a Jordan Dawson Fantasy Forecast, and a George Woodlaw, a die cut. Now, I don't know if I've got anything left in the way of more hits. I think there's 5 per box. Maybe Generational Legend if we get one. We shall see. Stop Hours, Andy Brayshaw from the Dockers, Matt Crouch, Fantasy Forecast, and it's Butters, die cut. Oh, still so much of the box to go. Ah, I did it again nearly. Damn you. Lack of ability to hold things. Nick Watson the Wizard, Star Powers, Tom Green, Fantasy Forecast, and the Tom de Koning, die cut. Almost done. And have had a wondrous ride with all the retail boxes, I've got to say. Have thoroughly enjoyed it. And the hobby boxes. Cardcraft, Isaac Heaney number 3, Will Ashcroft Fantasy Forecast, and a Sam Darcy die cut. Not sure what I'm going to do now. I'm coming into after footy season ends. Oh, Collingwood, best and fairest, Nick Newman Fantasy Forecast, and a Jack Steele die cut. I'll be cruising around looking for more dash cam footage to upload. Carcraft, Callum Ward number 1, Darcy Cameron Fantasy Forecast, and a Frida die cut. I'll still be doing videos. Oh, come on. Stop Hours, Isaac Rankin from the Crows, Liam Duggan Fantasy Forecast, and a Hugh Luggage. Mr. Luggage. Die cut. Alrighty. Oh, best and fairest, Max Holmes from the Catters, Lucky Neil Fantasy Forecast, and the Dion Prestia die cut. Oh, we got our North Melbourne Footy Flicks, Jack Sinclair Fantasy Forecast, and a Riley O'Brien die cut. Sorry, powering through the last packs. I am tired. So tired. Stop Hours, Tom Green from the Giants, Tom Stewart Fantasy Forecast, and a Dylan Moore die cut. Have we got one last hit in our retail box war? War! What is it good for? No, it's a blue. Connor Rosie from the Power, Took Miller Fantasy Forecast, and a Hayden Young die cut. 4 packets left, folks. Where? This is the end. Oh, best and fairest, John Newcomb from the Hawkers, Jordan Dawson Fantasy Forecast, and a Luke Davies Uniacke die cut. Star Powers, Willie Rioli from the Power, Matt Crouch, Fantasy Forecast, and a Sam Collins die cut. Alright, 2 packets left. Oh. Star Powers, Jeremy Cameron, Coleman medalist. Tom Green, Fantasy Forecast, and a Jordan DeGoey die cut. This is it, folks. Oh, brrr, last packet magic. What have we got for our last packet? Oh, it's a card craft. Number 1. Oh, I was hoping it'd be a number 4. Hayden Young, Fantasy Forecast, and a Patrick Cripps die cut to finish off with. Excellent. Well, overall, some wonderful results from the House of Packets again. Lots of hits as usual. Always appreciate the gold. Sculpture, James Sicily, Star Powers, Team, Will Ashcroft, Caleb Sarong, Magic Wildcard, Best and Fairest, Gold, The Bont. A number 7, Mitch Owen, St Kilda, Luminous Base. Luminous Base, Jesus. Luminous Myriad. Shiny. Adelaide Crows Premiership Predictor, huge. Brad Close, Dragon Scales, Ryan Mansell, Epic Red, Charlie Cameron, Gold Dragon, Sam Draper, Dragon Scales, Lee Jackson Red, Jasper Fletcher, Thunderbolt Gold, and boom, Colby McKercher. Well, thank you very much once again for tuning in. I might be doing some more videos shortly to end out the season, but until then, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want, but mainly stay safe on the roads, enjoy your time, enjoy your packets. We'll see you in the future. Bye.